Hey everybody, Kerry from Babs Bead Warehouse with another deal of the day. But before we get to that, Michael and I did a video on buying gemstones on eBay. We're going to put a link up here somewhere. You got to go and check out this video. The visual quality in the beginning is a little rough. We had some problems with the camera. The audio is fantastic, but watch the whole video. It's pretty cool, and it gives you an idea of what you get when you're buying these inexpensive gemstones on eBay. Now, on to today's deal. I've got rutilated quartz, 8mm. Rutilated quartz is when the mineral rutile, which is golden, runs through quartz. So that would be the flaw in the quartz, would be the rutile, which makes it really cool and makes it golden looking. Here, check it out. This is a stone that I just love. This is rutilated quartz. They're 8mm, 8-inch strands, faceted rondelles, all hand done. Let's take a closer look, and you can see the rutile running through it. Gives a nice golden look to it. These are $60 a strand. They're on sale for $39 a strand, which is an excellent buy. All kinds of variations in there. And the facets just make a nice sparkle. You don't see too much nice rutilated quartz, or faceted rondelles for that matter. I've got, I think, 7 strands of these altogether. Again, they're 8-inch strands. Something a little different for you. If you want something a little golden, you got it right here. I think I did some up close ones there. We can see that rutile running through it. It is pretty. It's all hand done. These are cut in India. The material's Brazilian. It's just really nice and something different. And we brought them from $60 down to $29. And if you use the link or buy through the YouTube channel, you get an extra 10% off. So that is today's deal of the day. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you enjoyed that video that we did about eBay. You got to go check it out. That's all I got for you now, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we will see you tomorrow.